Classic syllabus, let's see. What are the things you have learned? Chapter 1, Knowing our numbers. Chapter 2, Whole numbers. Chapter 3, Playing with numbers. Chapter 4, Basic geometrical ideas. Chapter 5, Understanding elementary shape. Chapter 6, Integers. Chapter 7, Fractions. Chapter 8, Decimals. Chapter 9, Data handling. Chapter 10, Mensuration. Chapter 11, Algebra. Chapter 12, Ratio and Proportion. Chapter 13, Symmetry. And the last one, Chapter 14, Practical Geometry. In this year, we will study most of the chapters, that means continuation of class 6. Today, let's see some of the concepts in chapter 6, that is integers. Because in class 7, you have the first chapter, that is integers. Let's go through, just recap what are the things are there in integers. Chapter 6, integers. In that already you have studied introduction part, what do you mean by integers, representation of integers on a number line, ordering of integers, addition of integers on a number line, subtraction of integers with the help of a number line. These are the things already you have studied. Let's see some of the concept here. Represent the following numbers on a number line. Some of the numbers are there: plus 5, minus 10, plus or minus 8, minus 1 and minus 6. Let's see how we can represent in a line. So the first one I have taken here, it is plus 5. You know, it is a linear line. So at the midpoint always here it will be 0. Already you have studied at the right hand side it will be positive numbers. At the left hand side it will be negative numbers. At the right hand side positive numbers up to infinity. At the left hand side the negative numbers up to infinity. Let's see on the right hand side what are the numbers will come. Here I am taking the numbers up to 10 on the right hand side. 0 is the midpoint. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 I have taken. At the same time I need to show at the left hand side. So it starts from minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and minus 10. Now I need to show plus 5 in number line where it comes. You can see the arrow mark shows where the plus 5, the positive value is there. So what we can write? The plus whole symbol we can represent here. Here A represent plus 5. I hope already you have studied this one. It is very easy to understand. Let's see another number. Minus 10. In the same way I am going to show at the midpoint is 0. Right hand side the positive numbers will come up to 10 I have taken. On the left hand side the negative numbers will come up to minus 10 I have taken. You can see where minus 10 is there. By physical appearance which we can easily understand, minus 10 is there at the left hand corner. So here B represent minus 10. I hope you have understood. And the next one is plus or minus 8. You can see here it is the plus or minus 8 means plus 8 and minus 8. Look at here at the midpoint here it is 0. At the right hand side the positive values will come and the left hand side the negative values will come. You can see here plus 8 is there at the right hand side, minus 8 is there at the left hand side. Both it combines together here. C represent plus or minus 8. These all things I think you have studied in class 6. Let's see what is the next concept. Write all the integers between the given pairs. Write them in the increasing order. The first one 0 and minus 7. Second one minus 4 and 4. Third one minus 8 and minus 15. And the last one minus 30 and minus 23. Let's take the first one 0 and minus 7. Look at here. Already you have seen the minus, the negative values will come from midpoint to left hand side. What happens? 0 to minus 7 we need to write. So minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. This is the range between 0 to minus 7. If you see here, it exactly shows after minus 1, 0 comes. Now you can see the range 0 to minus 7. What are the values will come? It is, once again I will show, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. All together you can see here it is minus 7 to 0. The values are minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. Let's see minus 4 and plus 4. You know the plus value, the positive values will come right hand side and the negative values will come left hand side. I have written here 0. Let's take the right hand side. So 1, 2, 3. The range up to 4. 0 to 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3. And the last value it is 4. Now let's take the left hand side. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and the last one is minus 4. You can see 0 is the midpoint. So on the right hand side 1, 2, 3 will come positive values. On the left hand side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. These are the negative values will come. This is the range between minus 4 to 4. Let's see the next concept. Add without using number line. So 11 plus of minus 7, minus 13 plus 18, minus 10 plus 19, minus 250 plus 150, minus 380 plus of minus 270, minus 217 plus of minus 100. Using number line, it is very easy to understand. Now we are going to discuss without using the number line. Let's take the first one. 11 plus of minus 7. I can easily represent, in lower classes we study like this. 11 minus 7. What we do here, it is the plus 11 and this is minus 7. So we need to do here it is subtraction because one is positive value, another one is negative value. What operation has to be done here? Subtraction. So 11 minus 7, you can see here, by default 11 has a positive symbol, plus is there. But usually we don't write. If you see this one, usually we don't write, but here I am given plus 11 and minus 7 and the value is 4. Here we have the value 11 minus 7, that is 4. That means plus 4. Plus 11 minus 4. Here the subtraction operation takes place and the value is 4. Let's see another method. So already one method we have got the value 4, here it is. So we need to find by one more method. That method you have to learn. See, I can write like this, 11 plus of minus 7 as it is what is there in the question. Let's the first step is 11 as it is I have written. Then look at here, plus of, there is a parenthesis or we call brackets. One bracket has opened. Please read this one carefully. In front of any sign bracket comes, we need to multiply. Let's see what happens. Look at here, the plus has to multiply what is there inside the bracket. So here sign is there, plus sign. Inside the bracket minus is there. What happens here? We need to multiply plus into minus. Look at here, I am multiplying. Here you can see the multiplication symbol. Plus into minus. What happens? Plus into minus and the result is minus. So after 11 we need to write the minus here. So now what happens? 11 minus and the remaining element is 7. The 7 has to be written here. Look at here, 11 minus 7 and the value is 4. So both are matching. 11 minus 7 which is equal to 4. Here after some operations 11 minus 4 which is equal to 4. Once again I repeat, 11 plus, here bracket has opened. In front of any sign bracket comes means we need to multiply. That means plus into minus, the step I have given here, plus into minus, the minus I have written here, the remaining element is 7. 7 also written here. And the last value 11 minus 7 which is equal to 4. The 4 has printed. The 4 is a positive number. Let's see one more. Minus 13 plus of plus 18. Let's see the first method. minus 13 plus 18. You know that one has plus and another has minus. If one is plus and another one is minus, what we need to do? Subtraction. But look at the operation name. The operation name is add. But if you look at the here operation with a sign, minus 13 plus 18 is there. So what we should do? One is minus, another one is 18. Here the subtraction has to take place. Let's see what happens. Minus 13 plus 18, the value I am printing here, it is 5. Look at here, 18 minus 13 and the value is 5. But the very interesting fact is, one is having minus and another one is having plus. Please read carefully. Bigger number here, it is 18 and the sign is plus. That's why the result carries plus sign. Very interesting. So if you rewrite this one, it will be 18 minus 13 and the value will be 5. So what happens? Bigger sign here, it is 18 and the 18 has plus sign and the result carries the same sign, that is plus 5. You can see here, it is plus 5. Usually we don't write plus. By default, all the integers will be having plus sign, but we don't write. Please understand. Another method. So this method you have to learn. The same thing I have rewritten. Minus 13 plus of plus 18. The first one you write as it is, that is minus 13. Second thing what we need to do, plus is there. Plus has to multiply with this parenthesis or bracket. Within bracket again plus is there. That's why I have given here in front of any sign bracket means we need to multiply. So the plus is multiplying with another plus. So the multiplication symbol has come. What happens? Plus into plus. Plus into plus and the value and the sign will be plus. The plus has to be written here. What happens? Minus 13 plus and the remaining element is 18. The 18 I have written here. So minus 13 plus 18 and the value will be 5. The both the values are matching here. Here it is 5 and here also it is 5 plus 5. Bigger number is 18 and the sign is plus. Let's see another one. Minus 250 plus of plus 150. Let's see the simple method. Minus 250 plus 150. What happens here? One is minus symbol, another one is addition or plus symbol. What we need to do here? The subtraction has to take place. That means 150 should subtracted by 250. Yeah, you can see the result is 100. Very interesting fact here it is, I have given minus 100. What? The reason behind minus 100, bigger number here it is 250 and the sign is minus. Look at here, 250 has minus symbol and the 150 has plus symbol. Which is the bigger number here it is? Here the bigger number here it is 250. So which number has the bigger value has sign? In the resulting part, the same sign has to carry. Please look at here, minus 250 plus 150 here it is. We have subtracted 0, 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 2 minus 1, 1. And the sign will be 100. The reason minus 100 is bigger number here it is 250. I hope you have understood. Let's see do it another method. The last two you have seen. Please try for this one in another method. Let's see next one. Minus 217 plus of minus 100. Please observe carefully. Minus 217 plus of minus 100. Let's do in simple method. So minus 217 minus 100. So both are here it is minus. What we should do? I hope you have already learned in class 6. I have written here answer is minus 317. Is it answer minus 317? So what is happening here? Both are adding. That means when both the numbers are having same sign, plus or minus, then the function should be addition. The result should have the same sign. Look at here. The first number is 217 having minus and the second number is 100 is having sign minus. So when both are having same sign, the function should be addition and the result should carry the same sign. Here the first number and second number is having minus, and the resulting number also should have minus. I hope you have understood. Look at here. Here I have taken a small example. Plus 10 plus 20. So both are plus. We need to do addition. So plus 10 plus 20. The answer is plus 30. Here 1 plus, first number is plus, second number is plus. Both we are doing addition, and the third number is plus. That is, resulting number is plus. So it is plus 30. The same number I will take for minus. Look at here. Instead of plus, I have taken minus 10. Instead of plus 20, I have taken minus 20. The first number is minus 10. Second number is minus 20. So both are minus. When both are minus, same sign, what we need to do? We have to add it. So 10 plus 20, 30. And the digit should be minus. The reason, first number is also minus. Second number is also minus. Once again, I read this one. When both the numbers are having same sign, plus or minus, then the function should be addition. The result should have the same sign. I hope you have understood. Let's see this one in another method. This one already you have learnt. Minus 217 minus 100, and the result is minus 317. Let's see this method. This method you have to learn for the upcoming classes. Look at here. Minus 217 plus of minus 100. The first digit you have to write as it is. That means minus 217. Now what we need to do? Plus into minus we have to do. In front of plus, one bracket has opened. When bracket opens, we need to do multiply. That what happened? This plus inside the bracket minus is there. These two should be multiplied. The sign has to multiply first. What happens? It is getting multiply here. Plus into minus, and the result is minus. Look at here. The minus carries here. Now minus 217 plus into minus is minus, and the remaining digit is 100. So here it comes 100, and the value here it is minus 217 minus 100, and the result is minus 317. We can tally here minus 217 minus 100, which is equal to minus 317. After these many operations, you can see the result is minus 317. Look at here. It is printing with a negative value or minus value, minus 317. I hope you have understood. Please go through this homework. You have to do the homework. Represent the following numbers on a number line. The numbers are plus 6, minus 1, plus or minus 9. And the second topic for the homework, write all the integers between the given pairs. Write them in the increasing order. That is minus 8 and minus 15. Minus 30 and minus 23. And the third one, add without using number line. That is minus 10 plus of plus 19, minus 250 plus of minus 150, minus 100 plus of plus 199, minus 123 plus of 69.